start the elevator at Pilates underground in Lake Forest. It's got, ooh, older innovation. Probably Montgomery. Ooh, inch line. One. Let's get a look at the cab. Oh, hold up. Let's head on in. Oh, wow, interesting. Ah, it's got Adams. Yucky. No good. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, there's the door open. Interesting COP. It's all in just one room. Let's take a look at the phone. ADA compliant. Hopefully we won't need to use that. Alright, let's head down, why don't we? Oh, there's the certificate. Whoa. Whoa, this might have an epic motor. Woo, power stop. Gotta use the bathroom. I'm feeling a little rumble in my tummy. Let's try and figure out why don't we? Let's head up to one. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh, that was weird. It like started and then accelerated a second time. That was so weird. Fuck. Well, this thing runs weird. Alright, let's ring it down one more time.